Everyone online talks about passive income, but most of it is either exaggerated, unrealistic, or only works after you already have money. So in this video, I'll show you 5 real income streams that actually pay in 2026, the kind normal people can build step by step, without pretending they're going to get rich overnight. Higher paying skill. Most people think the first income stream has to be some online business. But for most normal people, the first real income stream is actually becoming more valuable at your main job. That sounds boring, but it works. If you make $50,000 a year and you increase your income by 20%, that is an extra $10,000 a year. To make that same amount from a small side hustle paying $15 an hour, you would need to work hundreds of extra hours. That is why your skill is the foundation. In 2026, valuable skills are things like sales, coding, video editing, digital marketing, project management, bookkeeping, data analysis, AI tools, design, copywriting, and operations. The mistake people make is chasing passive income before they have active income. But passive income usually needs money, skill, traffic, or trust first. So before you try to build 5 income streams, ask yourself this: what skill can make me more money this year? Because a better skill can lead to a better job, a raise, a promotion, freelance clients, consulting work, or even your own business later. This is not flashy, but it is real. Freelancing or consulting. The second income stream that actually pays is freelancing or consulting. This works because you are not starting from zero. You are taking a skill you already have and selling it directly to people or businesses. If you can edit videos, build websites, manage social media, write emails, design logos, run ads, organize books, set up automation, or help a business solve a problem, you can sell that service. A lot of people say freelancing is too competitive. And yes, it is competitive. But competition usually means there is demand. The problem is that most beginners try to sell generic services. They say, I do video editing, or, I do social media. That is too broad. A stronger offer is specific. I edit short-form videos for real estate agents. I build simple websites for local service businesses. I help small businesses clean up their bookkeeping. I manage email newsletters for creators. Specific offers are easier to understand, easier to trust, and easier to buy. Freelancing is not passive, but it can pay quickly compared to most online income ideas. You do not need a huge audience. You do not need thousands of followers. You need one clear skill, one clear offer, and people who need the result. Local service business. This is one of the most underrated income streams. Everyone online talks about digital products, crypto, affiliate marketing, and AI businesses. But regular local services still make real money. Lawn care, cleaning, mobile car detailing, pressure washing, pet sitting, handyman work, junk removal, moving help, window cleaning. These businesses are not glamorous, but people pay for them because they solve real problems. Someone is too busy to clean their house. Someone does not want to wash their car. Someone needs help moving furniture. Someone needs their yard maintained. That is real demand. The best part is that local service businesses are simple to understand. You do not need to become famous. You do not need viral videos. You do not need a complicated funnel. You need a service people already pay for, a local area, basic equipment, and a way to get customers. You can start by posting in local Facebook groups, Google Business Profile, flyers, referrals, next door, or simple door-to-door outreach. This income stream is especially good for people who want something practical and offline. It may not sound exciting, but money does not care if your income stream looks cool. It only cares if people are willing to pay. Content and digital products. Content creation is real, but people explain it wrong. Most beginners think YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram income comes from views. But views alone are usually not the whole business. The real money often comes from what attention can turn into: sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products, courses, coaching, templates, newsletters, communities, or services. That is why content works best when it is connected to a skill or a niche. For example, if you know fitness, you can make workout plans. If you know budgeting, you can sell budget templates. If you know video editing, you can sell presets or offer editing services. If you know AI tools, you can sell guides, workflows, or consulting. Digital products can be powerful because you create something once and sell it many times. But let's be honest, it is not passive in the beginning. You need to create the product. You need people to trust you. You need traffic. You need proof that the product actually helps. So do not start with, I want passive income. Start with, what problem can I solve? Then create content around that problem. Then build a product that helps people solve it faster. That is how digital income becomes real. Investing the profit. Investing is one of the most proven income streams, but it is usually not the first one you build. Why? Because investing needs capital. If you invest $500, it will not magically change your life overnight. But if you consistently invest over years, it can become powerful. This is where index funds, retirement accounts, dividend funds, high-yield savings accounts, treasury bills, and long-term investing come in. The point is not to gamble. The point is to turn earned money into owned assets. This is the income stream that rewards patience. You earn from your skill. You earn from freelancing or a local service. You earn from content or digital products. Then you invest the profit. That is the order most people miss. They want investment income before they have enough income to invest. But real wealth usually works like this. First, increase your active income. Then control your expenses. Then save consistently. Then invest for the long term. The internet sells the dream of getting rich fast. But the income streams that actually pay in 2026 are not magic. They are practical. Build a valuable skill. Sell that skill. Solve real problems locally or online. Create content that builds trust. Turn profit into investments. You do not need 10 income streams. You need one that works, then a second one that supports it, then a third one that compounds over time. That is how real income is built.